Hi viewers, if you are also trying to log in your Facebook mobile application and the error pop-ups which is unable to log in, an unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again, or wrong credentials, invalid username or password. Viewers, in this video I will show you the fix for this error in just 5 seconds. So watch this video till the end. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that if I go to Facebook application and then you can see that this is page, not my profile. If I tap on it and then if I enter the password, you can see if I enter my password and then tap on the login button, you can see viewers that an pop-up appears which is unable to log in. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. I will tap on the OK text and then again tap on the login button. You can see the message appears which is wrong credentials, invalid username or password. So to fix this, what you have to do is you have to simply tap on log into another account, and then what you have to do is type your mobile number or email and password. I will type my email and password and then tap on the login button. You can see that as I have typed my email and password and then tapped on the login button, I have successfully logged into my Facebook profile. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.